Nueva Ecija.
Veena has built a successful entertainment media ventures. Her platform is dedicated to mentoring youth and advocating for diabetes management. Nueva Ecija. Nueva Ecija. Veena grew up with humble beginnings. At 19, Veena diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, a disease she has upheld for over a decade. She now balances work and advocating for better representation on and behind the screen. Nueva Ecija.
Nueva Ecija.
Nueva Ecija. Take center stage. Nueva Ecija.
In my everyday routine, I learned the reality of service. The true impact comes not only on nice gestures, but from the small acts of warmth and respect. My journey continued in the world of entertainment, appearing in a TV series that challenged me to step out of my comfort zone. These experiences taught me that identity is not limited to one path, that you can be what you aspire of, and you can excel in all of it because you have the dedication. My purpose is to represent all the dreamers, those who start in humble beginnings, and dare to step into the spotlight.
Nueva Ecija. It's your night. Nueva Ecija.
Social media allows us to share every aspect of our lives, but it can also cause us to be hyper aware of how we measure up to others. Do you feel that social media is ultimately positive or negative?
With social media, it's given us the ability to amplify voices, educate communities, and inspire change. But it has two sides. It can spread hate, but it can also spread hope. I've experienced cyberbullying for speaking my story, but I also connected with people who found hope in me. And I believe we can use it responsibly, and I want to remind all of you that behind every screen is a person deserving of respect. And that is the kind of influence I hope we all choose to have. Thank you, Philippines!
All right, here's your final question. You're on your way to a march, and someone hands you a blank sign and a marker. What do you put on your sign, and why?
I would write more than my labels. Throughout my life, I've been defined by assumptions, my health condition, and even my profession. But none of those defined me. But these are my reminders of how far I've become. It has shaped my resilience. That's why I carry that sign, because I want to be remembered for all of that labels. And I proudly carried it all. Thank you.
Nueva Ecija.
Miss Universe Philippines is Nueva Ecija.